Everybody thought the DJI Pocket 3 was near perfection. It had the sensor, it had the screen, it had the quality. But there was one problem, it was just a little fiddly. Well, it looks like DJI has finally fixed it. We just got our best look yet at the upcoming DJI Pocket 4, and while it might look like a simple refresh on the outside, the changes to the controls are going to completely change how you use this camera. If you're a creator, vlogger, or someone who loves capturing life, you need to see this. Think about the Pocket 3 for a second. Amazing camera, but that area just below the screen? Empty. Wasted space. Want to zoom? You had to touch the screen. Change a setting? Swipe and tap. When you're walking, talking, or filming fast-moving subjects, touching a tiny screen is frustrating. You block your view, smudge the glass, and shake the camera. That was the one weak point. Now, the Pocket 4 turns that empty space into a professional control zone. No more guesswork. No vague multi-function presses. We have distinct, tactile buttons. The biggest addition? A dedicated zoom button. This is huge. No more sliders on a touchscreen. This is a physical control. You can adjust your framing while recording without covering the image. Whether it's optical zoom, hybrid, or sensor crop, the fact it has its own button tells us DJI expects you to use it constantly. Zoom is now a primary feature, not an afterthought. Next up, the custom C button right next to the zoom. C stands for custom, and it's all about speed. Want to recenter the gimbal, switch from face tracking to FPV mode, or lock exposure? One click, done. It's designed for muscle memory, so you don't even need to look at the camera while using it. This is the one-handed dream. Pull the camera out, hit record, zoom, and adjust modes without ever touching the screen with your other hand. Faster operation, safer handling. This is what Pocket users have been asking for since day one. The features we love are still here: the rotating screen, fast gesture-based controls, the shutter button, and the 5D joystick for moving the gimbal. DJI didn't break what worked, they just filled in the gaps. Specs-wise, nothing wild yet, no night vision or crazy resolutions, but battery life has improved, which is a huge win for vloggers on the go. Extra 20 to 30 minutes of recording can make a big difference. Verdict: if you already own a Pocket 3, this might not feel essential, unless you hate using the touchscreen. But if you have a Pocket 2, or you've been waiting for your first gimbal camera, the Pocket 4 is the complete package. Better control, tactile buttons, one-handed usability, it proves DJI is listening. I want to know what you think. Is a physical zoom button enough to make you upgrade, or were you hoping for a better camera sensor? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I read every single one. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay ahead of the tech curve, subscribe, share this video with your creator friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a leak. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.